Nothing is more satisfying to me as a treasurer than sitting down with the CFO as we're approaching month end or quarter end and saying, hey, here are your levers you have. We told the street our cash flow was going to be this, and here's how we're trending. Looks like we need to push some AP out the door, or looks like we need to call some of those big customers and collect a little bit more money. So having that real-time pulse and setting expectations with the CFO so they can help drive the final results is, I think, priceless. It's actually really interesting because some accounting processes are only quarterly, right? Yeah. So we sit down monthly with our FP&A team and we say, here's what we expected to happen. And they show me what they generated from their statement of cash flows, and it's wildly off. And then they give me all these reasons why it's off. And I go, okay, well, we'll chat again in month 2. And we'll see similar things. And then guess what? In month 3, you're going to come around to my direct forecast and we're going to align again. So the real-time visibility is critical, I think, to running your business.